Look where we're going for lunch here. Okinawa Steak and Sushi. Come join us. Here's some specials here they got. This is when they're open. So we got the Okinawa Steak and Sushi menu here. This is a lunch menu. So we're getting a hibachi lunch. Got a big menu, that's for sure. We're here at lunch because normally things are cheaper during lunch. Normally. There's the back of it here. There's locations there. That's what it looks like here. We ain't got nobody yet. So they're taking Alex out. He's off this week from school.
Yep.
Taking him out for lunch here for hibachi.
Yep.
So pretty nice here. And they have a bar here. Pretty nice. Oh, look, they got the cat here. That's cute. So here's my salad that comes with it. I got the ginger dressing here. Looks nice. And you get some miso soup right here. And Alex, what'd you get over there?
I got ranch salad and I also got miso soup.
Also miso soup. Looks good. Alex is going to try the miso soup, see what he thinks.
Okay. Huh.
Different?
Yeah.
You like it? It's really popular.
You know, it kind of tastes like a chicken noodle when I have it on the G's. I like the G's.
Yeah, it's broth.
10 out of 10.
Ah, yeah, that's good for you if you got a cold or something or you're sick.
Exactly what I need.
So we love California rolls, especially Alex here. So we got an appetizer. It wasn't too bad. I think it was like $6.99 here. We're gonna put some soy sauce and we're gonna eat these. Looks good. That's sad, man. Oh yeah, I love fried rice.
I said you made everything. What's that? Hey, what's Japanese Coca-Cola, Diet Coke, always on those.
The best rice in the world, that's for sure.
wasabi.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, man.
Well, Alexi puts mushrooms in it. Are you gonna make a volcano? Cool. The volcano.
That's the mash. There it goes.
There you go.
Fire the hole.
Fire in the hole.
So good. Perfect.
What's your mouth?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yo, I said, yeah. Yeah, but you don't cut.
That's usually a good catch. I wasn't expecting it.
Thank you.
That's what you need.
Now we got the chicken. Thank you.
Mommy, tell you what? I feel your parents. This is your parents. I feel your parents.
Oh man, that's bad. That's bad.
Sorry, Mom.
Good stuff coming.
Oh, yeah. Very good stuff.
We already got our rice here. That's really good. Coca-Cola. Soy sauce. That's really good stuff there, for sure. So here's our plate here. Got the chicken, you got the vegetables, the rice, and he's cleaning it up.
Hot chocolate milk.
And Alex got the same thing here.
We have a dessert, hot chocolate milk.
What?
Hot chocolate milk.
Oh, hot chocolate milk. Oh, okay. All right, you want to try it? Alex, you will let it cool.
I'll let it cool a little bit.
All right. Yeah, he don't like something really hot, so. All right, Alex is gonna try his meal here.
We'll try the chicken first, because I love chicken.
All right.
With the yum yum sauce. Good.
Yeah, fresh too, right?
Yeah.
All right. Try that rice, 'cause man, that rice is good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's really good rice. He's cleaning the grill up. I think they clean it with vodka. Love to have one of these in our house.
I know.
Don't forget to eat your vegetables, Alex.
I know. Joking, I don't know.
We got some teriyaki sauce and yum yum sauce here. We're gonna put on our food. This is cute right here. What they have. Cat. I love cats. Got a nice big table over here too for a big party. Cute little cats here. Look at the kitty cats. Cute. Another cat. Good score. Good score. He's gonna make the volcano. See?
Oh,
Don't be scared.
make a fountain out of it.
Here we go.
Is it good?
Ready for the volcano, Alex? There it is.
Yeah, it's getting mad. It's really mad.
Fireworks.
I want him to make again.